Okay, this is just me a little excited because I got a new knife. But I think this is one of the earlier versions of this knife that I haven't seen of them or any of them around. I got a text about it yesterday from Blade HQ and that they were in stock. I went ahead and placed the order very quickly and they were out of stock within like an hour. But it's really cool. I haven't seen this one before. I've seen many of the others similar to it. So here we are. Let me turn my camera around. This, I just opened it to confirm what it was. Like I literally ordered these yesterday, this knife yesterday at like 1 o'clock in the afternoon. And here it is. Comes in this really cool little box. So this is a Boker Kalashnikov. So of course its little box looks like an AK-47 magazine. So open it up. Trying to do this one-handed. And it is the Boker Donut Reverse. I haven't seen any of these before in person, but it's the automatic knife. Very nice action response on that blade. I love that pattern. This is really cool. So, the traditional Kalashnikov, but that is the Donut Remix. I haven't seen this one before. This is pretty sweet. I love this thing. They literally only had them in stock for less than an hour, and they all sold out. And so I managed to snag one of them. But this is really exciting. Pretty sharp. So, Kalashnikov, automatic knife. I love the sprinkles and the reverse. Typically, the blade and handle are reverse colors, and the sprinkles are still in the handle. But you have the blue blade with the pink handle. But this is pretty sweet. I love this thing. Managed to get a hold of one. So, check it out. Just a little excited. Kind of like knives, apparently. Later, guys. Showing off this knife, but I also noticed this is part 2. I noticed something really cool. Is the all the studs are different colors. So the center spring center lock nut is gold. Then you have a light pink stud, a green stud, and then a fuchsia stud. When you look down the edge of the knife, you also have the same thing: light pink stud, green stud, and fuchsia stud. Just the amount of detail I put into this knife is just absolutely amazing. I love it.